Hey guys, Xbox controller. Hold on. Come on. Here we are. Come on. Down. Alright. It smells like an Xbox controller. Only problem is, this is not an Xbox controller. It's a knockoff! But let's test it though.
Whoa. Wait, what the Okay, now there's something wrong because it's doing the same thing. Okay, I had to make sure. Alright. What? Why isn't my mouse working? What the heck? Hold on. Hey DJ, check this out. Look. First player, second player. Look, see? Second player. On my fucking PC.